Hello and welcome to Ness Macramé Studio. In this video, I'll show you a technique for using the diagonal double half hitch knot to gradually gather cords into a single filler bundle. It's a simple but very effective way to create a strong, tapered diagonal line in your macrame designs. Here's how it works. Start with your first working cord and the chosen filler cord. Position them at the desired diagonal angle. Tie one double half hitch knot. Take the cord you just knotted and add it to the filler bundle. Now your filler is one cord thicker. Use the next working cord to tie the next double half hitch, and again add it into the filler. Continue in this rhythm, knot, add to filler, knot, add to filler, until all cords in the section are gathered into one smooth, solid diagonal. Tip: this technique works best if you keep your wraps snug but not overly tight. That way the diagonal keeps a natural, flowing curve. Once complete, you can leave the gathered cords as they are for a bold accent, or secure them with a decorative knot, like the barrel knot, for a polished finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more macrame tips and techniques.